Hello, wonderful people out here. This is me, Pawon, and welcome to my channel, Pawon Vlog. So, as you can see, guys, today is a sunny day and it looks really awesome. The blue sky and the grass, which is really dry because of the winter season. And whenever rainy season will come, then it will become a greeny. So as you can see, this all is garlic and spinach. The beautiful chicken, chicks and the chicken. And today I'm gonna show you the lamkani, which is really a cute kind of goat. As you can see, she is a female, and this one is male. Black one is male. So here is it, another kind species of goat, which is local one. It's really wonderful. See, व्यू बहुत ही अच्छा मिलेगा आपको विंटर, स्पेशली नवंबर, अक्टूबर और जनवरी के टाइम पे. So we can directly visualize the Kanchenjunga from this place. And this is our small homestay. Since from 2007 we are running our homestay. We are going to construct a cabin, a frame cottage, exact right at this place. So I'm gonna put all the video of my construction. So all things will go by plan, and we'll definitely gonna construct a new A-frame cottage right here. So I'm gonna update you until it has been done. So keep in touch with us. So that's it for today, guys. Hope we will meet again. See you. Bye bye.